Okay, this is the Vtec solenoid. This is the oil pressure switch. The whole thing is called the Vtec valve assembly or the spool assembly. The ECM activates the solenoid and it charges and discharges the Vtec mechanism, which switches the valve timing. The ECM also activates the Vtec pressure switch. So normally this is 0 ohms, the ground and the 12 volt positive are joint. The ECM monitors the oil pressure switch. It also monitors the oil pressure. So if there's a difference between those two, code comes on. The oil pressure switch determines the rocker arm status. And the ECM compares the oil pressure with the oil pressure switch. If there's a discrepancy, the code will be P2646 low voltage, P2647 high voltage.